Hi, Todd Baker, Corporate Vice President of Engineering at Future Electronics. We're here again in Munich, Germany at Electronica 2024, talking with engineers about some of the technologies that they're bringing to the table right now that are going to make the future better for all of us. Today I'm happy I got the privilege of speaking with Paul at onsemi about some of the great silicon carbide innovations that you're showcasing today. So can you give me a little bit of an overview of what you're showing here at the booth?
Yeah, sure. We have here the vertical integration wall, which is basically showing our unique system of supplying from the vertical all the way from the gravel, from the sand, all the way to the product.
Yeah.
And what I show here is basically how we make silicon, which we do since decades.
Right.
And also we're doing our silicon carbide over here.
Right.
So with the silicon carbide, we start with the sand, then we are generating out of the sand these spools here.
Yeah.
And you see this slight difference between this little bowl and this huge ingot here.
Yeah,
so
right, yeah.
the difference in silicon carbide costs are also because of that.
Right.
So we generate this thing in 4 hours. With 1,600 degrees, and we have this one in 7 days in 1,800 degrees. That's a complete different energy, and it's a complete different amount of material you get out of it.
Right.
Now that is, let's say, the first starting point of bringing the costs up.
Yeah.
So, but why are we doing this? Because we can generate extremely more compact power solutions.
Right.
And so when you look at the power density we can enable, we are doubling, we are tripling, and it's just amazing how silicon carbide enables all this.
Yeah, right. No, I mean, the benefits that we're seeing in wide bandgap are just exceptional. What are some of the customer applications where it's been really a great fit?
Well, the main driver for the volume in silicon carbide was automotive.
Sure.
So automotive on traction, which you see here below, where we did our starting points in 2018 all the way to what we have now. So we doubled the power density from 150 kilowatts to 300 kilowatts in the same form factor.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is basically where the automotive market consumes the most material.
Right.
But there's also another big portion, and that's photovoltaic, photo inverters.
Yeah.
And so for these solar inverters, we can go down to we can go down in size.
Right.
And we can enable higher efficiency ratings, which is of course crucial on the solar.
Right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, because you don't want to waste what you get from the roof.
The efficiency is what it's all about.
Efficiency is all about,
Right, right.
And here you can really squeeze it to the max, with the silicon carbide.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense. So, you know, obviously a key technology it's for the market right now and where everything is going. How is onsemi approaching it differently? Where is onsemi really finding that you've got a benefit over the competition when it comes to the silicon carbide offering?
I think there's several angles. First angle is what I just mentioned. So we are starting from the gravel all the way. We are starting from the sand. We have our own supply chain.
Right.
We have two locations, one in US and one in Europe.
Right.
So we have a kind of an independent supply chain system. We can ensure that we get the material.
Right.
That's the first thing. The second thing is that our technologies are really, we are doing leapfrog technologies. We're investing a lot in getting from M1, M2, M3, all the way. So we are doubling, tripling the power densities also on that side.
Right.
And the third thing is our package modules. Our packages in modules, when you see here, the vast majority of packages we have, and we can pack with all our technology, fantastic technology, front-end technology into a package which utilizes this optimum and makes the thermal pass. That's the unique thing, that we have everything and we have it in volume. And basically we also very focused on mass market. So like you guys from Future.
Yeah.
So we are supporting the small customers, not only the big ones.
Right, right, and that's been impressive. I think, again, all of these different package types that you have, the ability to get the heat out of the application that onsemi brings to the table with your differentiation in the package space, absolutely incredible, and a huge part of, I think, the benefit that onsemi is bringing to the table in this wide bandgap space. For customers that are interested in looking at wide bandgap with onsemi and want more information on the technology, what would be the best way to reach out to onsemi on this?
Well, of course, we have a web page. We have we're featuring everything on our web page.
Sure. Yeah.
And then, if it comes to real product samples, we are happy to reach out. We are happy to reach out to Todd and his colleagues in Future.
Absolutely.
For getting support there. So we are working strongly with all our distribution partners because we believe in supporting small customers, because that's where the innovation takes place.
Yeah, and that's what's really, I think, going to help to make a better future for all of us with this increase in efficiency that wide bandgap brings. So thank you so much, Paul, for the time. Really, really excited about it. And the technology you guys are showcasing today, this is going to make a huge difference, I think, in designs for the balance of the decade and well beyond. So thank you for that. If you're interested in any of this technology or interested in all the other great things going on here at Electronica 2024, please continue to follow us, and we'll look forward to bringing you all the great things that we're finding here.